Welcome to the National Institute of Academics Study Hacks, Part 02, Interleaving. Interleaving involves mixing up different subjects or topics while studying instead of focusing on just one. Example, study math for 30 minutes, then switch to science, then go back to math. This forces the brain to adapt to new contexts and reinforces learning. Scientific backing. Studies show interleaving improves problem solving and long-term retention. Dual coding. Dual coding combines verbal and visual information. It's easier for the brain to understand and remember concepts when they are presented in both text and imagery. Example, draw diagrams or mind maps while you read to visually represent what you're learning. Scientific backing. Research has shown that combining words and pictures enhances understanding and memory retention. Elaboration. Elaboration is the process of explaining and describing ideas in your own words, which helps you better understand the material. Example, after reading a concept, try explaining it to yourself as if you're teaching it to someone else. Scientific backing. Studies show that elaborating on ideas deepens understanding and helps integrate new knowledge with existing knowledge. Feynman technique. The Feynman technique involves simplifying complex topics by teaching them to someone else, preferably in plain language. If you can explain it simply, you understand it well. Example, take a complicated concept and try to explain it in basic terms to a friend or even to an imaginary audience. Scientific backing. Teaching reinforces learning by identifying gaps in knowledge and strengthening understanding. Mind mapping. Mind mapping helps organize information visually, connecting related concepts in a web-like structure. Example, create a mind map on paper or digitally by writing the central topic in the middle and branching out with subtopics. Scientific backing. Research shows that mind mapping enhances comprehension and helps learners see the connections between ideas. Practice testing. Testing yourself on material, even before you feel fully prepared, is one of the most effective ways to learn. This is called retrieval practice. Example, take practice quizzes or create your own test questions after studying. Scientific backing. Studies show that frequent testing improves retention and helps the brain consolidate information. Sleep and learning. Sleep plays a vital role in memory consolidation. A good night's sleep helps solidify what you've learned during the day. Example, aim for 7-9 hours of sleep each night, especially after intense study sessions. Scientific backing. Numerous studies confirm that sleep is essential for effective learning and memory retention.